join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me. Small section on conversion on SQL Server. Why did I put a special little section? Because conversion are operation that we see very frequently in Transact SQL. You will see in many development that the cast, convert, try convert, and try cast function are used a lot. So I have to tell you about them so that you won't be surprised when you find them. Okay? So let's start with the cast. The cast function is a language. SQL language is a transcripting function which converts data of one type into another type. So we do a select and we will work on the date birth column. Date of birth column. So we will try a conversion with the cast function. Okay? Cast with two parentheses. Okay? So the column that we want to convert as datetime true. Okay, you can see that the syntax is quite simple. So in this example, we are going to convert this column in the datetime true. Let's try a simple select. You can see the format of the column with the year, month, and the day. And if we try a conversion with the datetime 2, it's one discovery. Here you can see that we have now the milliseconds. Okay, we have convert the datetime column, the date of birth column in datetime 2. And how about playing both requests at the center with the datetime? If we run the select both, we see that the datetime does not return the millisecond, while the datetime does. Okay. Another example. I will try to convert the name, the column name, sorry, it's a mistake. The column select cast, the name column as the int. Okay, we're going to try a string column with some characters as a int with numerical. Now you know that the string can be converted to a numeric data. We have the error message commencer failed when converting the varchar value Jackson to that data type int. Okay? However, we can do the opposite. We can, for example, convert the age, which is in a int, in varchar. Okay? Select cast age as varchar 20. It's one discovery and there is no error message. So we can convert data in numeric types to string. Okay, there are some applications that for a reason we want to do what is called an implicit conversion of data from numeric type to strings. So we will have to do a cast, otherwise the application will not work. Convert the convert function on SQL converts data from one type to another in a manner similar to cast. For example, if we do a select, it's the same syntax so, from the cast. So we remove the as by replacing a comma. Okay. And if we run the to select, we will see that we have two different results. Convert int 52.79 will convert to 52. Okay? For the convert to varchar for 63.3, it's the same result. Okay? For a conversion in varchar. So convert inner int. For this example, we round off and give 52 and convert. Varchar with 63.3 will give a string. Okay? On the other hand, there is the third extremely important parameter for the convert function. It's the format style you want to give it. For example, we have a date of birth colon in a date, okay, with this type of data. I can give it, int result format. Here, for example, I want to convert this date of birth in a British format. So I have to write select convert varchar, comma, with the name of the column and the format that we want to convert by date of birth column. Voilà. So I want to run this query and you can see that it's works perfectly. Result in British with the convert 153 and it converts to a British format. Okay? Same thing for the German conversion. I put just 104 and it's in the format German point with the point. And to finish, here the conversion in Italian. Okay? In format 105. And just below, a great link for the conversion table. If you click on it, you'll arrive to this table. Okay? You have 105 for the Italian, okay, 104 for the German, and so on. USA, 110, 110, okay, and so on, okay. So that was the demonstration about the convert and cast function. So let's go for the next demonstration.